Hello, welcome to the garden. Let's dig in. So today, the lilies are already started to blooming. This one is Condylom planum, and my father broke a stem, so I'm quite unhappy. And I had so few flowers this year. This one is Condylom varietas cernum. This will be Dracunculus vulgaris, maybe going to flower tomorrow. Asiatic lily lollipop, Asiatic lily happy Eskimo, Tei lily battalion. It has beautiful stems this year, very big strong stems. Oh, Annemary's dream is open, and you can see the bees loving it, even though it's a lily and it's usually pollinated by butterflies and moths. Yeah, so this one is apricot fudge, and you can see the leaves are mostly dead because of botrytis. And this one is graffiti, and I got this lovely plant from one of my colleagues. I had to start watering because stems are flopping out from the soil. It was that dry. This is a lovely fasciation. So here you can see apricot fudge barely has a intact foliage, so none of the leaves are healthy. This other one is Pearl Justine. It also looks horrible. And this one is Yellow Bruise, also tetraploid with a lot of botrytis. Oh, this one is opening, must see. It turns from green to orange. It's a lovely plant. This is Trendy San Francisco. This yellow one is Charlotte's Joy. This one is Tropical Joy, the red with an orange center. The very brown one with the orange is Tiny Lion. And this one is Tiny Ink. No, this one, the red one is Tiny Lion, and the orange one is Tiny Ink. Or maybe I just cannot read. This one is Orange Cocotte, and it doesn't have pollen. L.A. Predosa. Oh, this one will be nice. A lot of buds. What's that? Roccardo. So this orange one is a mix-up. It should be a Dutch design, but I don't believe it is. This yellow one is Tiny Bee, and that very black one is TA hybrid black ship, and it has a dark foliage, and the darkest for the TAs besides Night Rider. Some lilies for a research project. Cloud Shride, looking very bad. So this is Black Ship, and this pink one is Rosalind. This is a new one for me. It's called Liga. It is yellow with these lovely tango spots. And this one is Solar Specs. I'm probably butchering the name. And the North American hybrids, this one is a Roter Spion, and this one is Pardalinum. And turned out that I lost the Wiggin CI unfortunately, but it appears that I have two Pardalinums. One is more red than the other one, and look at that. Lovely corsage is flowering in the lily trial. We have some lovely irises in bloom. This one is called Janice Chesnick. This one is Shurleonis. And this blue one is Betty Cooper. And look how lovely the alliums look, and you can dry these stems now. Hippastralia Durga Pradhan is in flower, and the Cosmos atrosanguineus and Cosmos paucedanum pink flamingo. This is my cultivar Papaya Blaze, and Magnifique is still in bloom, but what I want to show you is this should be an orange flower lily because it was sold as orange matrix, and it's a red matrix like this one, and the yellow one is yellow matrix, and the double orange is double Dutch, tiny double Dutch. So this is actually Tiny Lion. I'm mixed up. So thank you very much for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye. Happy gardening.